Hey, what's up? Um, this guy, I'm not sure how to pronounce his name, but I got statuses of different sizes as a present from Codemaster for his birthday. So each statue having a non-negative integer size. Since he likes to make things perfect, he wants to arrange them from smallest to largest, so that each statue will be bigger than the previous one exactly by one. He may need some additional, and this is important information, he may need some additional statues to be able to accomplish that. Help him to figure out the minimum number of additional statues needed. So, for example, as you can see, we have 6, 2, and 3 and 8. If you think about it, so let's imagine these 6, 2, 3, and 8. The way I solved it, first I would sort them. So 6 and 8. Now, if I looped from the start to the end minus 1 to the element previous to the end, and I will compare each element to the one next to it. So if this one is, or I will subtract. So if this number subtract the number previous to it is equal to 1, everything is fine. Else, I will, for example, this case will be in the else. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So 3 minus 1, which is will be equal to 2, which is the numbers between 3 and 6, which is 4 and 5. So now we have 2, one of the to add to the answer. And in another case, we will have 6 and 8. So 8, which the difference between them is not 1. So 8 minus 6 is 2, minus 1 is 1. So plus to the original answer we have, so it's 3. And that's answer 3. And that's the way I solved it. It's important to read these, but it's not that important for this question. So what I will do, I will create a variable called s. So it will start from 0. So if the array, if we got an array which is fine, the result will be 0, and this is correct. Now I will sort the status. So put sort, and this will sort it and put it here inside the variable itself. So this is sorting it by reference. And now I will loop through the indices. So for I in range, I will start from 0. If you give it just length of statues, you will go to the end of the array. But I want to go to the element previous to the end, because I will compare each index or each element in a specific index to the element next to it. So I won't go outside the array, right? It's really easy stuff. So now if the current element or the element next to the current element, because I'm assuming it's bigger, right? Because we sorted everything. Minus the current element is bigger than 1, which means we need to figure out the number of missing numbers. So I will do like I just said. I will so like this. I will subtract the bigger number from the smaller number. This will give us how many. This will give us the differences between the two numbers. For example, the 6 and the 3. So 6 minus 3 is a 3. To get the numbers missing, we will subtract also by 1. So the difference is 3, but the numbers are missing is 2. So subtract always by 1. And that's it. So at the end, just return us. And that should be it. So submit. Yeah, done. Thank you.